Diwali is around the corner, so get ready with me to attend the Diwali party. I got my hands on Beauty Relay London products. I am using Skin Paint's High Octane Oxygen Boost Cream Concealer. It is available in 4 shades and it provides complete coverage for dark circles and uneven skin tones. Then I am setting it with Skin Paint's Radiant Show Whitening Compact. It has its unique oil absorbing formula and it's perfect for your everyday makeup routine. Shade Story Volume Lash Party 2 in 1 Mascara is my favorite. It comes with wand that has two ends, one with a volumizing brush and the other with a defining brush. Oh my god guys, look at my eyes, gives natural and volume. And last set it by using Meo Makeup Fixer. And yes guys, you will get this fixer and 76% off on Diwali sale. And grab most of the products at 76% off only.